So here's Strawberry getting her hair washed. My mom came over to visit, so of course she had to get her Yaya to wash her hair. So here they are, washing her hair. She's excited about her Valentine's Day hairstyle. So this is a hairstyle that I'm going to do wet. I feel like there's no need for me to blow dry it, since the style will be just easier for me to do wet, and that's just unnecessary heat that we would have to use. But here I am. I split her hair down the middle just to make the hearts that are going in the middle symmetrical. Here's me sectioning off the first half of the heart. So here's the first half, and I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. I was so hyped that it came out perfect on the first try. So now you're going to take your baby jam and perfect those parts, as well as slick down your sections. So now you're going to take a rubber band and secure that section, but don't forget to soak your rubber bands in oil first. So now you're going to detangle the ends really well so that when you do your Bantu knots, it's not frizzy or any pieces of hair sticking out. I put a little bit of that jam on there, and I did a 2-strand twist all the way down, wrapped it right on into like a little bun, and secured it with a rubber band. I'm going to put 2 hearts on the sides as well. Doing the same process with the slick, securing with the rubber band, 2-strand twist all the way down, and twisting it up into a little bun and securing that with a rubber band. Same thing on the other side. So now I'm a little extra, and I always got to go the extra mile. So why not put one right here in the middle to make it super duper cute. So because my mom is here and she's really spoiled, my mom gave her the phone to watch, and whatever she was watching keeps going off. So she's like whining and crying and moving a lot. Thanks, Mom. Definitely failed at this attempt, so let's try that again. Okay, so after I did the hearts, I just sectioned off all the free space and put them in Bantu knots in between, just, to fill in the gaps. And it lined up perfectly. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. This hairstyle only took me about 20 minutes, 30 minutes including the wash. But yeah, super quick, super easy. And if my mom wasn't here, we probably would have had a much smoother process, but it's fine. So Strawberry notices that after I'm done my hair videos, I usually put makeup on for the final look. So of course she wants her makeup done, and my mom is going to do it for her. Spoiled braids. So it's about 9:30 at night and baby girl is super tired, so she doesn't want to pose for any pictures. But if you enjoyed the content and you thought it was really helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a cute comment below. We definitely will have more hair videos for toddlers. Thanks for watching.